The Ministry of Justice is playing its role in the governance of this country. I know a lot more needs to be done, and we at the Ministry of Justice, we're up to the task. We will do even more.
Doing more means significant developments to promote a secure, cohesive, and just society for all Jamaicans.
This Minister, Madam Speaker, understand that in some cases, justice delayed is justice denied. To this end, we continue to make significant contributions and improvements to the operation of the courts by investing in the tools and infrastructure.
This fiscal year, the Justice Ministry will begin the construction of a new St. Andrew Justice Centre, as well as new buildings for the Clarendon and Hanover Justice Centres. The Ministry will also continue renovation and refurbishing works at the Clarendon and Manchester Parish Courts, as well as the relocation of the Portland Victim Services Division office into its newly refurbished space. This year, too, the plans will be prepared for a new St. Thomas Parish Court complex, Supreme Court, and Hanover Parish Court. And the St. Anne Family Court will be operationalized to further improve the delivery of family court services in the parish.
We must bring the courts up to first world standards so that when people go to the courts, they see a court that is iconic, that they feel that they can get justice done properly in attractive communities with excellent amenities. The Ministry's mission is to get warring families and communities to utilize restorative justice.
To encourage this, the Ministry intends to increase the number of sensitization sessions conducted and citizens educated. 1,260 sensitization sessions will be hosted and 2,400 case conferences facilitated.
In this fiscal year, the Child Diversion Officer is asking for more assistance in terms of staff because more cases are being referred to them.
To properly staff the child diversion program, additional mentors will be trained, and family counseling sessions and psychoeducational assessments for children will be increased. The Ministry will also be conducting 28 empowerment sessions for children. And plans are in place to review the Child Diversion Act and forge a partnership with a government skills training agency.
The Administrative Department continues to modernize its operations.
As part of the modernization process, the Administrator General's Department expects to close a minimum of 600 cases this legislative year. Special focus will be placed on cases that are in backlog.
The importance of the work of the Victim Services Division must be emphasized, as at a time when Jamaica is increasingly seeing disturbing acts of violence, the division is delivering critical support to those who are affected.
The Victim Services Division's work this fiscal year will include counseling and emotional support for at least 5,036 new clients, follow-up sessions with 5,000 existing clients, and over 10,000 counseling sessions. The Ministry will also be implementing an electronic data management system to strengthen the administration of the Victim Services Program. The plans have been written, partnerships formed, and the path is clear. This fiscal year, the Ministry of Justice intends to play its part and deliver justice to all Jamaicans.
The partnership is one rooted in mutual respect and commitment to build a more resilient sector.